guys. Guys, preparing for Bella's first veggie food, guys. Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan ng aming Bella. Ang kanyang first veggie food, guys. First veggie food of Bella. First veggie food of Bella. Tingnan natin, sana magustuhan ng aming baby Bella, ang super cute overload. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Preparing for our cute Bella's semi-solid food veggies, guys. Look. Okay, colorful, right? Okay. Boom! Okay. Life hack, guys. Hindi na kailangan magpakulo pa. Hindi mo na kailangan pakuluan, guys. Ito, guys, ang first veggie food ng aming Bella. At gutom na siya. Okay, guys. Ito, patatas, carrot, broccoli. And itong kabila, guys, ito is apple. Mag-level yung sweetness ng apple saka carrot, guys. Yes. Okay, guys. Patatas, broccoli, carrot and apple, guys. Yes. Okay, let's try this for Bella. Guys, it's time to blend Bella's milk for today. First time, guys, ng aming Bella kumain ng vegetable. Yes. Sana magustuhan, guys, ng aming Bella. Sana magustuhan ng aming Bella ang prepare ni Daddy na. Okay, guys. Konti lang. Okay. Up. Liniba, guys. Ay, sana ang Bella namin magustuhan ng aming. Yes. First, veggies with fruits. Okay, guys. First, veggies with fruits. Guys, eto, guys. Ang first semi-solid meal veggie kay Bella, guys. Yes. Ay, gustong gusto. Masarap. Pinagalong fruits and fruit lang. Tapos, vegetable. Wow, galing ng Bella namin. Okay, ay, sarap. Okay. Sarap lang kumain ng Bella namin.